Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. So my name is Nurul Nashyuha binti Abd Karim and my metric number is 203713. So in this video, I will explain about the assignment A1, which is audio recording. So for the first task, we will require to record our own voice, saying our own name. So this is my voice recording, so let's hear it.
My name is Nurul Nashyuha.
Okay, that's it for the first task. And for the second task, we have to identify the sampling rate and the bit rate of this audio, of this recorded audio. So as we can see here, this has already shown in this at the left side. So the 44,100 Hz is the sampling rate, and the 32-bit is the bit rate of this audio. So that's it for the second task. So let's move on to the next task. Okay, so for the second task, we will require to reduce the sampling rate of the audio to 8 kHz. So as we can see just now, the sampling rate of the original one is 44,100 Hz, but this I changed the sampling rate to 8,000 Hz, which means 8 kHz. I didn't change the bit rate. It's 32-bit. I didn't change the bit rate. I only changed the sampling rate. So let's hear it.
My name is Nurul Nashyuha.
Okay, so let's hear again the original one and compare with the one that I reduced the sampling rate just now, which is I reduced to 8 kHz. And we hear the original one.
My name is Nurul Nashyuha.
Alright, as you can hear, the original one, which is this, is much better than the one that I reduced to 8 kHz, the sampling rate. This is because the quality is lower than the original. And the original one is much clearer and much better. Okay, so let's move on to the last task. Okay, so for the last task, we will require to reduce the bit rate. This time we reduce the bit rate to 16-bit. The original one is 32-bit, and this time we will reduce the bit rate to 16-bit. As we can see, I already changed the bit rate, and let's hear it.
My name is Nurul Nashyuha.
Okay, so let's hear the original one and compare with the one that I reduced the bit rate just now.
My name is Nurul Nashyuha.
Okay, so if we want to compare with this, which is original one, and the one that I reduced the bit rate to 16-bit, this is the original one is much clearer, but I know that there is not much difference and it sounds similar, but the original one is much clearer and much better quality than the one that I reduced the bit. So as you can see, this is the order that I have been received. So for V is the original one. For V1 is the one that I reduced the sampling rate. And for V2, the one that I reduced the bit rate. So as you can see at this side, right side, for the original one is 1.72 megabyte. And for V1 is the size is 320 kilobyte, which is much smaller than the original one. That's why I said just now that the quality is lower than the original one. And for the last one, the size is the same with the original one. That's why I said there is not much difference. Okay, so I think that's it for this assignment. And thank you.